In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Rapid Card to Cash App. Here's what we want to do. First, load up the Cash App application and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we will select Linked Banks and then choose the option to link a debit card. Now, here we want to input our Rapid Card number, the expiration date, the CVV, as well as our zip code here. And if Cash App accepts our Rapid Card, then if we want to transfer money from it, what we will do is just go back and click on the banking icon in the bottom left. Now here we want to choose Add Cash and choose the amount of money which we want to transfer from the Rapid Card into our Cash App balance. So we can choose from these amounts or choose a custom amount by clicking on the three dots here and typing it out ourselves. And then just click on Add as well as the amount. And if you have successfully linked your Rapid Card, it should take the money from the Rapid Card and get it into your Cash App account. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.